1,500 years ago, Buddha was born in India. He preached 49 years. Yung main teaching po niya, 4 words lamang. Kindness, compassion, joy, and giving. Master Cheng Yen at this time put into action the teaching of the Buddha. The best example we can show you is our Buddhist Tzu-Chi Eye Center.
And the joy
and the giving.
And the giving. So, nakita ko in action is showing what you try to live in your life. It's not easy. I know it's not easy because we are human and we have feelings and sometimes they do not go with that. But trying to live it day by day, for me that is very Christian and very universal. Continue living this message of Tzu-Chi.
Ito ko na talaga na-realize ko na may pag-asa talaga yung makakita kami. Libre. Magaling yung mga doktor. Tanggap nila lahat talaga. Walang pinipili.
Every time po na naka-schedule ako na check-up, meron na po ako nakalaan na point para sa donation po. Kasi malaking bagay para sa akin yung pagpapacheck-up. Wala po kami panggas, ma'am, sa totoo. Kaya, I'm from Taytay Rizal. Tinityaga ako po talaga.
Mas maraming pagmamahal at ma-share pa po natin ang ating blessing sa mas madaming tao. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdating.